Have you ever had your toilet stop flushing and you didn't know what to do? Let me show you how I fixed mine and saved some time and some money. Hey, Pastor Cliff here. Welcome to my DIY segment where I show you how to solve everyday problems in a practical manner. So, today we are fixing a broken cistern. Let's get started. So, this is the culprit, the broken flashing handle, and that's what we want to fix. So luckily with such a fix, you don't need much because it's only the handle. So there is a linkage that is broken. So to fix that, just a piece of wire. I've gotten this from the fence, and then a pliers to be able to manipulate the wire. And then if you watched my car video, you know that I had a box of these clips, and I use a clip to hold down the lid so that the lid doesn't it doesn't move around. They have a habit of moving around, and so with these clips I'm good, unless they are big, and then I'll see what to do. I can use that and all that. So let's get into it. So this is a simple three-step procedure. First, I open up this lid. So I remove these, place them there. So I just use like body clips, like the ones for a vehicle. Let me also remove this side. Did I show you a pliers? So I'm only using three things: a wire, pliers, and these body clips. So I think I needed a screwdriver because now, okay, that one has come out. So remove the lid. So this normally rusts, this wire, because it is in contact with water, so it breaks. So where's the other piece? Okay. So let me see how long that is. Good. So what we do, just take this wire and create another one. So step 2 is forge the wire. Kendra, you've come to join me up. Okay. So that is good enough. So I can do something like this. So I have my first hook. So this is for the top part. So let me just roughly measure the height so that I don't also overdo. So let's say I'll turn it somewhere here. So then I can cut this wire probably here. Let me just be safe. Okay. So this comes here, and then the other one goes down there. That's it. So let me just counter check that it is not too tall. part of it is the tricky part, because you have to pull it up a bit. And then you need to hold this part. If you don't hold it, you need to hold the lever. If you don't hold the lever, it will go down. When it goes down, what will happen is that it will start flashing. And then just put the wire in, manipulate it until you have a good grip. It doesn't need to be perfect, because so that's it. So you can see, I don't know if I can show you. So if you look, this is the wire. So I've already put it in position. Now I just need to deal with this part, and that's done. So let me see if I can be able to show you that. I think that angle is good. Yeah, good. So I'd already made a bend here, but I have to undo that. So there we are. And then now we try to bend this wire so that it locks in nicely. Because if you don't bend it over nicely, it's gonna come out. Then you'll be back to fixing this. Oh, something is in my ear. Can't get realer than that. So let me see if I can hold it up, then bend it with my hand. Let me just hold it up a bit. Okay, that's good. So I can test it. It's done. So I think guys are gonna be happy. So there we go. Works like a charm. So let's get this back. Let's close it up. So it doesn't need to be perfect. Let me see if I have this size. These are the smaller ones. These things are fat. Let's see if it works. That one is in. So this here, is there any difference with this? These ones look thinner. These ones look fatter, may not work. So let me just return the ones that were here. So once it's in, just push it. Though it normally doesn't go all the way in, but it holds it in place. That's the beauty. Let me also do side. So when your lid is like that, when if people are flashing, you will not have an issue. So that's a good angle. Somebody holds it. If it's 90, then it's good. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. If I can do it, so can you. You just need a few tools, a little bit of innovation, and some confidence. And that's all you need to be able to do it. So watch out for other videos that I'm gonna be putting out, fixing one or two things around the house, on the cars, and then I know you'll be able to learn something. So God bless you, God keep you. Remember to subscribe, comment, and let me know your thoughts, questions, or anything that you may have. Until next time, God bless you.